If you're like me, you've got a lot of skills, agents, commands, and MCP servers in your Claude Code, but you might have a Swiss cheese brain and often lose sight of what you've actually got in there. If you have, you might need a cheat sheet, which is what I've built here. This is called, well, my version is called Cheetah's Cheats because Cheetah is the name of my cat. But it's also called Cheaters Generator, and it's based off of Brett Terpstra's Cheaters repo, which is really cool. What you can do is point it at your Claude Code installation and have it generate for you a list of skills, agents, MCP servers that you use. You can even configure it to have a look at your Docker stack, your CLI tools that you've built, and just regenerate it when you need to regenerate it. You can use system keys to have a look through and look for your different skills and agents. And I'll show you how to use it right now. I have a skill that I want to create, which will help me generate YouTube titles, tags, descriptions, because it's something that I do repeatedly. So I'm going to ask my Vault analyst to have a look through my last few days worth of work and also tell it that I'm looking in particular to create a skill for YouTube titles, metadata, tags, etc. So my Vault analysis skill creator has found there's a gap for this YouTube metadata generation skill, and it's going to go ahead and create it for me. Okay, I have a new skill in my Claude called YouTube metadata. Now I want to add that to make sure it's added over to my cheat sheets so I can see it when I need to see it. So to do that, I'm going to run, in this case, I'm going to run update cheaters. That's the name of my command. Yours will be update Claude quick ref. And there we have it. I can now see that my new skill has been added to my visual content section in my cheat sheets. This is a free plugin you can get by visiting the GitHub repo called Cheaters Generator. Just install it and then point it at your Claude and then see how you go. Once you've done that, open the HTML file in a browser. There's no server needed, works completely offline. So with that, you can stop asking Claude what tools you've got in terms of skills, agents, MCP. You can even point it at custom CLI tools that you've created. Just build your reference, iterate it, refresh it once a week or whenever you build a bunch of tools and agents, and then you can see, a quick reference of what you've actually built rather than having to do / commands. Link is in the comments. Hope you find it useful. See you in the next one.